Hi, this is Artin Behdad, and in this presentation, I'm going to talk about momentum indicators and overbought and oversold definition. Some indicators like MACD and awesome oscillator doesn't have overbought and oversold. But some other indicator like RSI, stochastic and DT oscillator have overbought and oversold. Please pay attention. Overbought doesn't mean price reached its maximum and wants to come back. It's wrong. I don't know why many traders think when indicator goes to overbought, it wants to come back and they try to sell. It's wrong. It's not correct. The correct definition of overbought is up direction is limited. It means don't put buy trade. It doesn't mean you can't trade sell trade, okay? The only meaning of overbought is up direction is limited. You can't go for buy, okay? And oversold. Oversold says down direction is limited. You shouldn't go for sell, okay? Because down direction is limited, trading in sell direction is wrong, okay? That's it. Overbought and oversold don't tell you price want to come back, okay? It just says overbought, up direction is limited, oversold, down direction is limited. Please pay attention. Never trade sell only because price has gone to overbought, and never trade buy only if price has gone to oversold, okay? That's it. If you have any question, please write it down in the comment box. And I